Want to know how to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here a menu will appear. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the last. Here scroll down to the support and about section and tap on the report a problem option. Similarly, again scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Then tap on the chat with us option. Furthermore, tap on the message box. In here, we want to explain our problem to the TikTok team. You want to ask them to help you in order to unfollow all the people you follow on TikTok at once. Message them saying that you follow a lot of people and you cannot follow everyone manually, and kindly ask them to help you resolve your issues, and after a day or two, they should respond to your request and they should help you unfollow everyone you follow at once. So this is how you can unfollow everyone at once on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.